Madam Speaker.
What's the nature of your point of order?
Madam Speaker, I am citing Article 6, Section 26.2 of our Constitution, Madam Speaker. Allow me to read that part of our Constitution. No bill passed by either house shall become a law unless it has passed 3 readings on separate days, and printed copies thereof in its final form have been distributed to its members 3 days before its passage, except when the President certifies to the necessity of its immediate enactment to meet a public calamity or emergency. Upon the last reading of a bill, no amendment thereto shall be allowed, and the vote thereon shall be taken immediately thereafter.
Madam
The ayes
Speaker.
and nays entered in the journal. Madam Speaker,
Madam
ano po
Speaker.
ang basis ng emergency or
Majority
calamity
Leader.
sa certification? Madam Speaker, hindi
Madam
din naman
Speaker, there's
mapipirmahan
already a
kaagad.
certification
Madam
coming from
Speaker,
the Office of the
Madam Speaker,
President. I think
inconsistent po
minority-
ang
The chair now rules that the